Welcome to your online Biosculpture full cover tip tutorial. Biosculpture is the original soakable gel nail system, and over the past 30 years we've accrued a sterling reputation for our commitment to nail health, safety, education and professionalism. We're excited to introduce you to our full cover tip system, which uses soft gel adhesion technology to bring you the strongest and most comfortable tips on the market. Biosculpture has always believed in creating a bespoke manicure experience, and this remains true with the full cover tip system, which is adaptable to all nail types, including those with or without a free edge. Our full cover tips use pioneering tip technology and offer a choice of 5 pre-cut shapes according to client preference. The tips are available in various sizes for a perfect fit, and can be shortened and reshaped for a truly bespoke experience. There are many benefits and advantages to using the Biosculpture full cover tip system. Firstly, the tips have an ultra-thin cuticle line for invisible wear. Their dramatic, perfectly placed apex is not only beautiful, but ensures a super strong, long manicure. Our Biosculpture full cover tips offer the ultimate simplicity, as no other products are required. Removal is quick and easy. It looks and feels just like a normal Biosculpture or EvoGel manicure removal, and clients will love how comfortable, reliable and secure their tips feel. This is thanks to the flexibility of the tip. They feel just like your own nails, but longer. Finally, as with all our Biosculpture and Evo products, our full cover tips are made exclusively for professionals only. We will now demonstrate how to prepare both your client's nails and your full cover tips for a quick and easy application. To begin, analyse your client's nails as part of a robust consultation process. It is important to take note of nail type and condition, as this will influence your choice of base application. Also note any contraindications, precautions, allergies or medical conditions that may impact your treatment. Perform your nail preparation according to your nail analysis. Prepare the cuticles neatly and with impeccable attention to detail to allow for a quick and easy tip application. Apply a very thin layer of SPS down the full length of the nail plate in 3 brush strokes without flooding the cuticles. Allow this to air dry before proceeding with your tip application. Size each nail with an appropriately fitting tip. The tip should fit the width of the nail perfectly from sidewall to sidewall and around the cuticle. Gently bevel the outside of the tip at the cuticle outline using a small black file for a thin, flush fit. And remove any dust using a nail brush. Prepare the tip by brushing multi-cleanse using a 6-round or flat brush to the inside of the tip, starting from zone 2 and working towards zone 3 to ensure the removal of any dust or oily residue. Only cover the length of the tip corresponding to the client's nail bed. We will now demonstrate how to apply our full cover tips on a healthy nail plate with a regular upper arch. To begin, select your base. We recommend using either Biogel base, Evo Oxygenating base or Evo Contour base, depending on your client's nail type and condition. With your chosen base, apply a thin, flat base layer to the nail, but do not cure. Then apply a thin layer of base onto the inside top third of the prepared tip. Offload a small amount of excess product from the brush at the cuticle area. While supporting the client's finger on a finger rest, apply the tip to the nail from the cuticle outline down towards the free edge. Check for any base gel seepage at the inner C-curve of the free edge and side walls. If this is present, you may have applied too much base gel. Also ensure that there are no air bubbles between the nail plate and the tip. If air bubbles are present, you may have used too little gel, or your client's nail may require upper arch correction. If you encounter either of these concerns, remove the tip, wipe the nail plate, and correct as needed. Once you are happy with your placement, hold the tip steady and position the UV LED flashlight approximately 3 cm above the nail. Flash cure for 15 seconds while following the curvature of the nail. Always work on one nail at a time and complete your full cover tip application before moving on to the next nail. Cure for 60 seconds. No additional base application is required, meaning you can now continue with your colour application directly onto the tip. For clients with flat arches, scooped, corrugated, dented or damaged nails, we recommend an adjusted application to ensure a perfect fit. To begin, choose your base gel according to nail analysis. Apply a thin, flat base layer to the nail. And cure for 60 seconds. Follow this with an upper arch strengthening layer, curing for another 60 seconds. From this point, you can now continue with your tip application as previously demonstrated. When choosing a tip to fit your client's nail plate, you may notice that the nail plate is too wide. To correct this, apply the tip a third of the way down the nail plate. Ensure that the width of the tip fits from sidewall to sidewall of the client's nail. Once in place, apply the tip as previously demonstrated. Next, apply a flat base layer, paying special attention to the application around the cuticle and sidewalls area. Cure this for 60 seconds. You may find that some clients have more square-shaped cuticles, in which case, shape the cuticle end of the tip using a small black file in order to mirror the client's cuticle outline. You can then continue to follow the application protocol as previously demonstrated. Following your tip application, some minimal filing and buffing will be required. Use a small black file to neaten the lower curves and to adjust the length and shape of the free edge according to client preference. Avoid over-filing the sidewalls and lower curves, as this will change the balance and shape of the nail. Buff the tip surface using a 180-220 buffer. And remove dust using a nail brush. You can now proceed with your colour application. Finish with your preferred choice of top coat. To complete this section, answer the test questions and proceed on to section 3.